A government land surveyor plays a crucial role in mapping and measuring land for various development projects. In Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals in this field. One of the leading companies that specializes in land surveying services is Scon Design India Private Limited. With their expertise and experience, they have become a trusted name in the industry. As a government land surveyor in Jaipur, it is important to have a thorough understanding of the local regulations and laws related to land measurement and mapping. This knowledge is essential for accurately determining the boundaries and dimensions of a piece of land. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled surveyors who are well versed in these regulations and can ensure that all surveys are conducted in compliance with the law. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of land surveying services in Jaipur. These include topographic surveys, cadastral surveys, boundary surveys, and construction surveys. Each survey is conducted using state-of-the-art equipment and technology to ensure accuracy and precision. The company also employs advanced software to process and analyze the data collected during the surveys. One of the key advantages of hiring Scon Design India Private Ltd as your government land surveyor in Jaipur is their commitment to delivering high-quality results within the agreed-upon timeframe. They understand the importance of timely completion of projects and strive to meet deadlines without compromising on the accuracy of their surveys. Another notable feature of Scon Design India Private Ltd is their emphasis on customer satisfaction. They believe in building long-term relationships with their clients by providing exceptional service and support. Their team of surveyors is always available to address any queries or concerns that clients may have regarding their land surveys. If you are looking for a government land surveyor in Jaipur, then look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading land surveying company in Jaipur, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established a strong reputation for providing accurate and reliable surveying services to government agencies and private clients alike. With a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors, we are committed to delivering the highest quality results that meet the specific needs and requirements of our clients. As a government land surveyor, Scon Design India Private Ltd specializes in conducting surveys for various purposes such as land acquisition, boundary determination, topographic mapping, and construction projects. Our team utilizes the latest surveying equipment and techniques to ensure precise measurements and detailed mapping of the land. We understand the importance of accuracy in land surveying, especially when it comes to government projects where the results can have significant legal and financial implications. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we take pride in our ability to handle complex land surveying projects in Jaipur. Our team is well